Despite various challenges, the Chinese economy has shown remarkable improvement and performance this year. Data from the National Bureau of Statistics showed Monday that China's gross domestic product grew 5.5% year-on-year in the first half of 2023. Multiple global investors in China have voiced confidence in the Chinese economy, believing that the economic data reflects a positive trend.
Generally speaking, we think the data just published is in line with market expectation. We see a very strong rebound from the low base of last year. If you look at the structure of the data, consumption is still playing a very key role in supporting the overall growth. And we think this is very helpful for China to improve its economic structure and make the future growth more resilient. Our new energy vehicles export and our high-tech export are growing very quickly. We think this represents some future trend of Chinese economic structure, and this is also helpful for China to reach some new structure or new model of future growth.
We have always invested into China, and we have continued that. For us, we go where the market is. It's always been the case. We produce in the place where the market is. The largest chemical market is here. For me, it would be a risk not to invest here.
We will continue to invest in China because China is such an amazing place in the world to grow essential oils, that the plants for essential oils that benefit the world.
China is a fast-growing market and economy for us, so a lot of energy, a lot of talents, a lot of energy, and it gives me a lot of confidence for the future.